Hi, my name is Karina, and I'm a project manager for the product development team here at Younique. Today we are talking about how to get lip color that lasts with our Stiff Upper Lip lip stain. The Stiff Upper Lip lip stain was formulated with a blend of ingredients that make the product slide on easily and provide long-lasting, full matte color coverage. This means less touch-ups throughout the day. From rich reds to pretty plums, there is a color for everyone. These amazing colors include our 3 newest shades: Simple, Social, and Starstruck. The Stiff Upper Lip lip stain is simple and easy to use, which is important for you because you get luxurious lips with staying power without any fuss. First, prep your lips with our Moodstruck Lip Exfoliator. Next, outline your lips with the product's fine brush applicator. Fill in lines evenly. After the lip stain has fully dried, add one more coat for a highly pigmented look. For a more moisturized look, top with the compatible color of one of our Lip Balm Bombs tinted lip balms. Voila! 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 Luscious lips with staying power by using our Stiff Upper Lip lip stain. Share your favorite lip stain looks with us on social media using #YLooks. See ya!